In this ukulele review, we're going to go over the Pono, slow it down, the Pono MGTD. What the heck does that mean? I'm going to tell you in this video. This is fantastic. All right, welcome to ukelikethepros. I'm Terry Carter. Just trying to slow it down a little bit. I talk a little fast sometimes on the video because I'm so excited. We'll just slow it down a little bit, but I appreciate you being here. This is ukelikethepros. We do ukulele, baritone, and guitar content right here on the channel. If you're new or haven't done so, please subscribe. Turn on that bell notification. All right, so the Ponos. I've been to a lot of Pono videos because the Ponos are new to my store. What store is that? That's the number one and the biggest store online. That's store.ukelikethepros.com, where you can get now the Pono line. So I've been trying to do these videos so you can really see and hear these fantastic instruments. Overall impression, wow. That's my overall impression. This is the Tenor, MGTD. What that means is mango, all solid mango. MG, that's mango. T, tenor size. D, deluxe. I'm going to tell you everything about that and this instrument. We're going to go over the specs, the nut width, the scale lengths, the woods, where it's made, the sound, all that kind of stuff right now. And I'm trying to slow the playing down too. Slow the talking down, slow the playing down. You can really hear this fantastic instrument. So what is a Pono? Made in Java. The island of Java. It's village there. And then shipped over to Hawaii. They're checked out. And then they arrive right here to me, store.ukelikethepros.com. All right. Solid mango. This is really nice. I just grabbed one. I have several. I just grabbed this one. Didn't even look at it. Just grabbed the box. All solid mango. It's got the nice rosette. Solid mango. Remember, this is the deluxe. I'll tell you what that means. Let me show you the other side. The mango comes in like a lot of different kind of colors and varieties. This one happens to be a little bit darker. Just a really nice mango, though. Remember, there are a lot of varieties. Some mangoes a little bit more yellowish colors. Some of it has spalting, which is that real black, the black lines in it. Some of it's a little bit more of this darker color. So it's a wide variety, but overall the sound is very consistent. So what I really like about the Ponos is the quality. You can hear the quality. The price point, it's fantastic price point for what you're getting. Solid wood, really quality ingredients made by great luthiers. Price, sound, quality, everything. Yeah, so really like it. And then John over there at Pono is just a fantastic guy to deal with as well. Takes a lot of pride in the ukuleles and doesn't just let anybody have them. And so I'm actually honored that we can now carry these at store.ukelikethepros.com. All right, so this is a tenor length. Now, if you just look at it, just really gorgeous. So high gloss. Okay, so that's one. Deluxe means gloss. So you're going to have the gloss finish on these. Not the Pro Classic. That's another one. That's kind of like the step up. And then they just have like the standard no deluxe, which is just a satin finish. But this one is a deluxe. What do you like? Do you like satin finish or the gloss finish? Let me know in the comments below. All right, let me play, and I'll go over the neck, the nut width, all that kind of stuff, because I know you want to know that information. I had to make sure I got to that 10th fret there at the end. All right. Did this have a high G on it or a low G? Leave that comment. I'll tell you in a second. By the way, thanks for smashing that like button. All right, let's get to the rest of this thing. So the neck here, Has a nice satin neck here. Really nice shape on these necks. Comfortable, and the satin finish really makes it smooth. It's not a big neck at all. Just really comfortable for a tenor size. You do have the nice Grover tuners. These are upgraded tuners, really nice. Going to hold the tune for you. They're not going to slip on you. You got the ebony head plate, which I like. Always like. Just makes it really nice looking. You do have 1 3/8. That's 35 millimeters. Now, that's a little different than a lot of tenors. A lot of tenors are 1.5 inches. And I know people, if you have bigger hands, kind of like that bigger nut width. But I find that it doesn't feel that small. And actually, they did a great job because the strings go pretty far out to the edge of the nut. Sometimes some companies have 1.5 inches, but then the strings are kind of way in on the nut. So actually, it's not too bad. You do have the ebony fretboard here. And then you do have the tenor scale length. So what this is 430 millimeters. It's just slightly under 17 inches, like 16.92 or something like that. So it's basically 17 inches, real common for a tenor. Again, what the Pono is you can just feel the quality and the sound, right? The sound is great. Mango wood in general is a very nice, warm sound. It's really lush sounding. It's not super projective like a spruce top or anything like that, but it's just got a nice warm sound. You're going to get a lot of that kind of mid-range. And you notice if I have a high G, did you get that? High G. Now, you do have a little bit more of that, especially with that high G there, but overall, it just got a really nice sound. If you like low Gs, you could put a low G on this wound, unwound, totally fine right there. So, all right, I'm going to do a little bit more playing. I guess I was going to try to think of something else, but let me do a little more playing, and then we'll get out of here. Can I make a fingerstyle? Here we go. Did I do it? Did I pull it off? Had to slow up a little bit. The rhythm was getting a little faster than the fingerstyle, but I wanted to hear that difference between the strum and the fingerstyle. By the way, if you're ready to become a great ukulele player, or if you're not, maybe you just really can improve, check out ukelikethepros.com. Courses, memberships, everything right there for you. So anyway, this is it. This is a Pono MG Mango T Tenor Deluxe. The Deluxe. What did I say? The high gloss, a little bit of the nicer wood grain as well. I meant to go over those two things. But anyway, this is a great ukulele. Pono, store.ukelikethepros.com. Check them out. You will not be disappointed. You're going to love the quality, the sound, and the price of these great instruments. So that's going to do it. Thanks for being here. I appreciate all the comments. Smashing that like button and then subscribing to the channel. You guys are awesome. Appreciate the support. And until next time, take care. Keep on picking. And we'll see you in the next video.